We often say that life is full of surprises, but reality is that everything is meant to happen with a purpose. We may not know that purpose right away, but we will eventually. Life is hard, but each day we wake up every morning, we have the choice to keep going. We may feel defeated, we may feel discouraged and even rejected. We may feel that we don't have anything left to give. But life will keep going with or without us. For as long as we're breathing, our purpose in life is still alive. We're on a mission. And today is just another opportunity to try again. The choice is ours.